forward to our next topic is talking about, it will talk about the liquid fuels. Okay? So, liquid fuels, gentlemen and ladies, will be the next topic. Kanina is that we have discussed the solid fuels. Na ngayon naman is that we will discuss the liquid fuels. Okay? So, of course, liquid fuels, gentlemen and ladies, are mainly from petroleum products. No? Petroleum products, which is, of course, the problem of the society today. No? We have the increase on the rise, or we have the second crisis on the rise or immediate rise of your petroleum products. Okay? So, these petroleum products includes the crude oil, the oils. These are the gasoline. If we try to refine these petroleums, pag we try to sensitize these petroleums, we can get or produce gasoline, diesel, or kerosene amongst these petroleum products. So, gasoline, gentlemen and ladies, is the most common motor vehicle used to provide energy for most motor vehicle, lalo na sa mga piston engines and airplanes natin. Okay? So, if the solid has pyrolyzable and non-pyrolyzable, we also have what you call as flammable liquids and combustible liquids sa second category, liquid type of fuels, no? So, pagka sa solid ay meron silang meron tayong pyrolyzable at non-pyrolyzable. Sa liquid naman, meron tayong flammable at combustible. Now, anong pagkakaiba naman yan? What's the difference also of this flammable and combustible liquids? So, when you say flammable liquids, gentlemen and ladies, these are liquids that have a flash point below 37.8 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Lower than your temperature. Okay? Nakakita na ba kayo ng alcohols or liquids na mas mababa o parang pagdampi niya sa sa kamay nyo, parang mas malamig, no? So, these are usually flammable liquids. Okay?
Sir, thinner, pwede ba yun?
Thinner? Okay.
Opo.
The flash point, I think, of thinners is lower than 37.8. So, example yan, flammable liquids talaga yon, no? Combustible liquids have a flash point above 37.8 degrees Celsius. Ito yung pag binuhos mo sa kamay mo, parang mas mainit pa sa'yo kung sakali. Kunyari, mas mainit pa talaga sa'yo. Ganun talaga. Okay? So, what I usually do here is that if it is lower than the temperature of a normal individual, usually those are flammable liquids. Okay? If it is higher than the temperature of a normal human, para like us, is that these are combustible liquids. No? So those are the differences between the two general groups of liquid fuels. So sa solid, meron tayong pyrolyzable and non-pyrolyzable. For liquids, we have also the flammable and combustible liquids. Okay? Moving on. Our next topic is sabi niya dyan, technically speaking, okay, flammable liquids and combustible liquid do not cause fire. Okay? So, actually, sabi nga dyan, it is not the combustible and flammable liquids who will cause fire. Sabi dyan, it is the vapor they produce which burn or explode to the air under the influence of the heat. So, let us try to highlight that one, no? Hindi talaga yung gasolina o hindi talaga yung thinner yung nagkukos ng fire. It is not the thinner, it is not the liquid mismo yung that causes the fire, no? It is the it is the vapor that they produce. Again, what is that vapor? Again, gentlemen and ladies, the vapor is called as the free radical. Okay? So, ang thinner talaga ay yung alcohol, kumbaga, o kaya naman yung gasolina, hindi naman yan talaga yung yung nagkukos ng fire. That causes the fire. It is the vapor. Ngayon, pagka pinainitan yung gasolina na yan, magbubuo yan ng vapor. Sabi nga natin, liquid will undergo pyrolysis. Okay, ito yung sinasabi nating pyrolysis. They will first undergo pyrolysis so that yung vapor na lalabas na yan, siya yung magiging light, siya yung magiging flame of the fire, no? Gasoline is the most widely used flammable liquids, okay? Worldwide, of course. Okay? So let us discuss latent heat. Okay? Kanina sabi natin, we always try to raise the temperature. Okay? Sabi natin kanina that the solid fuel will become gas muna. Okay? Ngayon, para maging gas 'yan, ay kakailanganin natin painitin. No? So just like what we have mentioned a while ago, so that the solid fuel will become gas. Will transform itself into a gas. Let us try to put heat. Papainitin natin yan. Ngayon, if they will ask you during the board examination, what do you call that heat that is required to change the solid to liquid and liquid to gas? Sabi dyan sa sentence natin dyan, this is the quantity of heat, okay, absorbed by a substance from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas. Okay? And then, therefore, the heat is released during the conversion of the gas, then liquid to gas. So I repeat, gentlemen and ladies, the point here is that para mapalitan mo daw yung kahoy at maging vapor siya para siya ay umapoy, kinakailangan mo ng painitin yan. Painitin. Now, ano yung tawag mo doon sa init? No? Ano yung tawag mo doon sa init? That is called as latent heat. Okay? We call this as latent heat. Para yung solid ay maging liquid o kaya naman yung liquid ay maging gas. Kasi si gas ang siyang mag-aapoy, no? The gas will be the one that causes the flame. All right. Moving on to the next topic is this question. Sabi niya diyan, in essence, it is a chemical reaction in which a substance combines with the oxygen. Okay? Oxygen, heat is released and forms, and the form of substance is destroyed. Okay? So the answer here, gentlemen and ladies, will be fire, no? So this is the chemical reaction. Okay? So the same lang to. Hindi pwedeng oxygen kasi ito yung oxidizing agent natin. This is the oxidizing agent. Di ba? Fuel. Okay? This is the combustible matter natin. Ito yung pwedeng masunog. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa solid. Okay na tayo sa liquid. Okay? Let us go to the gas fuels also. Okay? So, I hope you are still following. What we are discussing, gentlemen and ladies, is the combustible materials. Nasa fuels pa lang po tayo. So, diniscuss na natin yung solid fuels. We likewise finish the liquid fuels. And now, let us go to the gas fuels. Okay? So, gas fuels, gentlemen and ladies, sabi nga natin sa gas is this has no definite shape and volume and has no definite, no definite volume and no definite shape. Okay? It follows. Sabi nga ng teachers natin sa chemistry dati, ang gas ay sumusunod sa kung ano yung hugis, kung saan siya nilalagay. Di ba? Wala siyang definite shape. Okay? So, in our case, for the board purposes examination, what is important to us is to be able to, to identify that gas is an example of fuel, no? So, commonly, Another form of gas or another form of fuels are chemical fuels and nuclear fuels. Right? So, aside from solid, liquid, and then gas, meron din tayo ng chemical fuels. And then meron din tayong nuclear fuels. Alright? Dito sa nuclear fuels, yung lumalabas lagi yung nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, no? So dito yung you know already this one. I think pag sinabi naman nating nuclear fission is that this is the splitting of nucleus into atoms. Then nuclear fusion is the combination of two atoms. Okay. So that is on nuclear fuels. All right. Let us move on to the next element of next element of the fire. Ano ba yan? Okay, so going back, the second element of the second doon sa ating fire triangle is heat. Okay?